We all have this incredible power within us. It's not magic, it's our minds. Our minds can help us achieve anything, but sometimes we forget how strong we are. We let doubts creep in, we get scared of failing, but guess what? It's time to unlock that power and go after what we want. This isn't about becoming superhuman, it's about realizing the potential we already have. It's about using our thoughts to create the life we dream of. Are you ready to unlock your mind's true potential? Let's dive in. Let's face it, we all have these pesky things called doubts. They whisper in our ears, "You can't do it, what if you fail?" These are mental roadblocks and they love to hold us back. Limiting beliefs are another culprit. These are the negative stories we tell ourselves. I'm not smart enough, I'm not good enough. Sound familiar? Fear is a sneaky one. It disguises itself as a reason to play it safe. But fear is often just an illusion, holding us back from our true potential. I am confident in my ability to achieve my goals. I embrace challenges and grow from them. I am worthy of success and happiness. Every day, in every way, I am becoming better and better. I have the power to create change. I am grateful for the positive things in my life. I am resilient, strong, and brave. I trust myself to make the right decisions. I let go of negative thoughts and embrace positivity. I am capable of achieving great things. These affirmations are rooted in psychological principles that support positive thinking, self-belief, and resilience. Repeating them regularly can help rewire the brain to adopt a more positive and empowered mindset. Imagine this, you're standing on a stage receiving an award for your accomplishments. Can you feel the excitement, the pride? That's the power of visualization. Visualization is like creating a movie in your mind. You picture yourself achieving your goals, experiencing the success you desire. Your mind starts to believe it's possible, and that's when amazing things happen. The more vivid and detailed your visualizations, the more powerful they become. So close your eyes, engage your senses, and start painting your path to success. Words have power. What we repeatedly tell ourselves becomes our reality. So why not use this power to our advantage? That's where affirmations come in. Affirmations are positive statements that challenge negative thoughts. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try saying, "I am capable and strong." It might feel strange at first, but trust the process. Repeat your affirmations daily with conviction. Write them down, say them out loud, and let them sink into your subconscious mind. You'll be amazed at the transformation. Mindfulness, finding peace in the present moment. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in worries about the future or regrets from the past. The constant hustle and bustle of daily life can make it challenging to find a moment of peace. We often find ourselves overwhelmed by the demands of work, family, and social obligations. The noise of the city, the rush of people, and the never-ending to-do lists can leave us feeling drained and disconnected from ourselves. Mindfulness is about bringing our attention to the present moment without judgment. It's a practice that encourages us to be fully present, to experience life as it unfolds rather than being lost in thoughts of the past or future. By focusing on the here and now, we can find a sense of calm and clarity amidst the chaos. Mindfulness teaches us to observe our thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them, allowing us to respond to situations with greater awareness and intention. Take a deep breath, notice the sensations in your body, the sounds around you. Feel the air entering your lungs, the rise and fall of your chest. Listen to the birds singing, the rustle of leaves, or the distant hum of traffic. These simple acts of awareness can ground us in the present moment, helping us to let go of stress and anxiety. By tuning into our senses, we can reconnect with the world around us and find beauty in the everyday. Mindfulness helps us become more aware of our thoughts and feelings without letting them control us. It's about observing our inner experiences with curiosity and compassion rather than judgment. When we practice mindfulness, we create a space between our thoughts and our reactions, giving us the freedom to choose how we respond. This awareness can lead to greater emotional resilience, allowing us to navigate life's challenges with a sense of calm and balance. By practicing mindfulness, we can quiet the mental chatter, reduce stress, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Regular mindfulness practice has been shown to improve mental health, enhance focus, and increase overall well-being. It can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to sit quietly and focus on your breath, or incorporating mindful moments into your daily routine, such as paying attention to the taste and texture of your food, or taking a mindful walk in nature. This clarity allows us to make better decisions and focus on what truly matters. When we are mindful, we can prioritize our tasks with greater ease and approach our work with a sense of purpose and intention. Mindfulness helps us to stay present and engaged, reducing the likelihood of burnout and increasing our overall productivity. By finding peace in the present moment, we can lead more fulfilling and balanced lives and cultivate a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. My transformation from self-doubt to self-belief. This journey is one that many of us can relate to, a journey from feeling inadequate to embracing our true potential. I used to be the queen of self-doubt. Every morning, I would look in the mirror and question my worth, my abilities, and my dreams. It was a constant battle within myself. I had big dreams, but I let fear hold me back. I would write down my goals, create vision boards, and imagine a brighter future, but the fear of failure always loomed large. I thought, who am I to think I can achieve that? Sound familiar? These thoughts are like chains that hold us back from reaching our true potential. One day I decided to make a change. I realized that if I didn't take control of my thoughts, they would control me. I made a commitment to myself to break free from the shackles of self-doubt. I started using the techniques I'm sharing with you: visualization, affirmations, and mindfulness. These practices became my daily rituals. I would visualize my success, affirm my worth, and practice mindfulness to stay grounded. I began to believe in myself and my abilities. The results were incredible. I started to see changes in my life, small at first, but they grew with time. My confidence soared, and I felt a new sense of purpose. I took risks, I faced my fears, and I achieved things I never thought possible. Each step forward was a victory, each challenge a lesson. I learned that the only limits we have are the ones we place on ourselves. It wasn't always easy, but it was always worth it. The journey from self-doubt to self-belief is ongoing, but every day I grow stronger and more confident, and so can you. Believe in yourself, take that first step, and watch your life transform. The ripple effect, inspiring others with your success. When we unlock our own potential, we set off a chain reaction that extends far beyond our immediate reach. It has a ripple effect. Our confidence inspires others to believe in themselves, our actions create positive change in our communities, and our success paves the way for others to follow. When we achieve our goals, we show others that their dreams are also within reach. Imagine a world where everyone believed in themselves, where every individual felt empowered to pursue their passions and dreams, where fear was replaced with courage and doubt was overshadowed by determination, and where limiting beliefs were a thing of the past, replaced by a mindset of growth and possibility. What kind of impact could we make if we all embraced this mindset? The possibilities are endless. By embracing our own power, we not only transform our own lives, but also empower others to do the same. We become mentors, guides, and sources of inspiration for those around us. Our journey becomes a beacon of hope. We become beacons of hope, lighting the way for others to follow. Our success stories serve as a testament to what is possible, reminding everyone that anything is possible. Together we can create a world where success is not just an individual achievement, but a collective celebration. Cultivating a positive mindset, a daily practice. Developing a positive mindset is like building a muscle. It requires daily effort and consistency. Just like we brush our teeth and exercise regularly, we need to nurture our minds. Start your day with gratitude. Write down 3 things you're thankful for. Practice affirmations throughout the day. Challenge negative thoughts with positive ones. Surround yourself with positive people. Their energy is contagious. Remember, a positive mindset is a choice, and it's a choice we can make every single day. You are capable of amazing things. Never underestimate your own potential. You are capable of achieving incredible things. The power to create the life you desire lies within you. Believe in yourself even when it's hard. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Don't be afraid to fail, for failure is often the stepping stone to success. The world needs your unique talents and contributions, so go out there and make your mark. Your journey starts now. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the right circumstances. The time to unlock your mind is now. Take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Start visualizing your goals, crafting your affirmations, and incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key. This is your journey, and it's going to be incredible. Share your story, inspire the world. We all have a story to tell, a journey to share. Your experiences can inspire and uplift others. So, don't be afraid to share your triumphs and challenges. Connect with others who are on a similar path, support each other, celebrate successes, and offer encouragement during difficult times. Together, we can create a movement of positive change, empowering individuals to unlock their minds and achieve their wildest dreams. What are you waiting for? The world is waiting to hear your story. Drop your story in the comments below and let's inspire each other. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and join our community of dreamers and doers. With a chuckle. Who knows? Your story might just be the next big hit.